Welcome to this symposium on teaching and researching international law, global perspectives. I'll begin by saying a few words about how this symposium arose. Here at the Center for International Law at the National University of Singapore, we organized a conference in 2018 that focused on the theme of teaching and researching international law in Asia. The purpose of the conference was to really understand the situation that faced scholars teaching in Asia, and to try and generate a discussion about common problems and challenges. The conference consisted really of two approaches. The first part of the conference was devoted to personal experiences and personal reflections that gave us a particular insight into the situation facing teachers and scholars in Asia. The second part of the project was to conduct a survey asking all participants to provide us with information about institutional structures, about curricula, about the textbooks they used in teaching international law. Always envisaged this conference as having a significance that extended beyond Asia. Universities in Asia and perhaps Africa and Latin America would often look to the West, to the developed countries, in thinking about how they should formulate their own policies. Our concern or our approach in this particular conference was to generate a discussion among countries in what might be called broadly the global South. In other words, our instinct was that scholars in Asia had a great deal to learn from scholars in Latin America and in Africa. And in fact, scholars from Latin America and from Africa attended the TRILA conference and provided us with very rich insights about their work. When we completed the report based on the conference and subsequent research in May 2020, to our delight, our colleagues at Afronomics immediately suggested that we should hold a symposium on this particular report and the issues it raised, issues that would concern universities in Africa, Latin America, and elsewhere as well. We are deeply grateful to our colleagues at Afronomics for the energy and enthusiasm and generosity that they displayed in inviting us to collaborate in this symposium. The first set of essays in this symposium deal with the empirical aspects of, you could say, the whole question of teaching and researching international law. So we have detailed studies from various countries about institutional structures, about different approaches, about challenges that they face either within those countries or more regionally. So that will be the first set of essays, and they'll be followed by a number of other sets of essays. But I, for one, learned a great deal from this very rich collection of essays, and I hope they will be of interest to you as well. Thank you.